How to make this match this. Today, we're going to go over register adapters. Hi, I'm John Henson for Currie Enterprises, and today I want to talk about axle register adapters and what that is, how to measure it, and how to make sure when you buy a brake kit and install it on an axle to make sure that it's done correctly. So a set of dowel calipers will be your friend. This is something you can pick up at a local hardware store. What you want to measure is basically the diameter of the center hub or button, actually the center register, technically correct, and what that diameter is. So you're going to use your calipers and you're going to take a measure on the diameter. Now, all Currie axles go out with a center register of 2.8 when we manufacture them. Some brake kits, though, are going to ship to you directly with a different diameter on the rotor. Maybe 3.06, might be 2.78, depending if you've got a drum brake kit or a disc brake kit. So it's important to measure this as well and do the same thing with a set of calipers. You basically want to measure the inside diameter of that hole. Now this actually measures 3.06, but on the Currie axle it's 2.8. So what we manufacture are these things. They're called register adapters. And what they do is that they just basically adapt this diameter of hole to fit on this diameter of register. They come in an array of different sizes for most popular brake kits and basically press on to the register here so that when you install your rotor, the rotor will actually center on the center of the register, which is exactly the way that you want it to be done. If you slide on your rotor and it's loose here, all that your rotor would be centering on is basically the wheel studs, which isn't a good idea. It's going to put extra stress on the wheel studs. You could have problems in the future with wheel studs shearing. Just not a good idea. So take a little extra time, measure for the register, and make sure that it is equipped correctly. If you order a complete rear end from Currie Enterprises with brakes installed, we're actually going to make sure that this matches this and that you have no issues in the future. If you have any further questions on the availability of different sizes of register adapters, please feel free to give us a call, send us an email, or leave a question below. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe here. For more tech videos, click here. And for more Currie content, click here. Thanks for watching, guys.